Imagine taking a regular ginger piece from your kitchen counter, something you might normally use in tea, cooking, or home remedies, and transforming it into a thriving, productive plant that grows vigorously and rewards you with rich flavor, powerful nutrients, and even the potential for profit. That simple grocery store rhizome has the ability to become a flourishing crop, and today we're diving deeply into how you can make that happen. Whether you're someone who grows plants on a balcony, tends a small backyard garden, or manages a large farming operation, the complete journey of growing ginger from start to finish is one you can absolutely master. Ginger is often underestimated, but it is one of the most rewarding crops you can cultivate. Understanding every stage, from choosing the best planting material to harvesting mature rhizomes, will not only increase your yield, but also expand your appreciation of this extraordinary plant. Ginger has been treasured across cultures for thousands of years due to its versatility. It is valued for its culinary uses, its medicinal benefits, and its ability to be preserved in many forms. Many people begin growing ginger because they enjoy its flavor, but they soon discover how resilient and fascinating the plant truly is. One of the keys to successful ginger cultivation is understanding the environment this plant naturally thrives in. Ginger grows best in warm and humid tropical regions, but you don't have to live in the tropics to grow it effectively. With the right growing techniques, you can cultivate ginger in a wide range of climates. Whether in raised beds, pots, grow bags, or traditional garden soil, this adaptable crop can flourish when given the proper conditions. The entire growth cycle typically takes 8 to 10 months, although you can harvest earlier if you prefer young, tender ginger. The first and most essential step is selecting high-quality planting material. Ginger is grown from rhizomes, not seeds, and your entire harvest depends on the quality of those starting pieces. When choosing rhizomes, look for sections that are firm, plump, and full of life. These should have multiple visible buds, often called eyes, which will eventually sprout and form new shoots. Avoid soft, shriveled, rotten, moldy, or extremely dry rhizomes, as they will not produce vigorous plants. It's always recommended to buy your ginger from a trustworthy source, an organic store, a reputable nursery, or a certified agricultural supplier. Once you've selected healthy rhizomes, cut them into pieces that are 1 to 2 inches long. Ensure that every piece contains at least one viable bud. After cutting, allow the pieces to dry in a shaded place for 1 to 2 days. This resting period allows the cut surfaces to seal naturally, forming a protective layer that prevents infections and reduces the risk of rot. Next comes one of the most important factors in ginger cultivation: soil preparation. Ginger needs soil that is loose, rich, and able to drain well. Heavy clay soil can suffocate the rhizomes and prevent proper growth, while extremely sandy soil may dry out too quickly and limit nutrient availability. A balanced mixture is ideal, one that can hold moisture but does not become waterlogged. If you are planting directly in the ground, loosen the soil thoroughly and incorporate organic matter like compost, aged manure, leaf mold, or decomposed plant material. These amendments improve the soil structure, boost fertility, and encourage strong rhizome development. For container growing, choose a high-quality potting mix that allows air and water to pass through easily. Ginger prefers a slightly acidic to neutral soil pH, ideally between 5.5 and 6.5. Before planting, remove weeds, soften the soil, and mix in organic materials such as coconut coir or humus to promote aeration and moisture retention. Once the soil is ready, it's time to plant your ginger. Place each rhizome piece 2 to 4 inches below the soil surface, ensuring the buds face upward. This orientation is crucial because the buds will produce the shoots that grow above the soil. Space each piece 6 to 8 inches apart to give the rhizomes enough room to expand underground as they mature. After planting, cover the pieces lightly with soil and water gently. It's important to maintain consistent moisture without saturating the soil. Ginger despises standing water, and soggy soil can quickly cause root rot. As the weeks pass, tiny green sprouts will break through the soil surface. This early sprouting stage is an exciting moment and a clear sign that your ginger is off to a healthy start. During the growth phase, proper maintenance is essential. Keep the area free of weeds, as competition can hinder ginger's development. Water regularly, ensuring the soil stays evenly moist. Overwatering is just as harmful as underwatering, so strike a balance. Mulching around the plants is extremely beneficial. Using materials like dried leaves, grass clippings, straw, or shredded bark helps maintain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and reduce weed growth. As ginger continues to grow, it becomes increasingly demanding in terms of nutrition. It's a heavy feeder, meaning it needs consistent access to nutrients. Applying organic fertilizers like compost tea, fish emulsion, or natural liquid fertilizers every 2 to 3 weeks helps maintain strong, steady growth. Slow-release organic fertilizers can also be mixed into the soil to provide long-lasting nourishment. Even though ginger is a hardy plant, it can experience pest and disease problems. The most common issues are fungal diseases like root rot, leaf spot, and pests like aphids and spider mites. The best defense is prevention. Ensure the soil drains well, avoid planting too closely, and keep the area clean. Natural pest control methods such as neem oil sprays, insecticidal soap, or introducing beneficial insects like ladybugs can help manage pests without harming the plants. Rotating your ginger crop each year is also a smart practice because planting ginger repeatedly in the same location can lead to the buildup of harmful soil pathogens. Always monitor the leaves for signs of nutritional imbalance, such as yellowing or browning. These changes may indicate water stress, nutrient deficiencies, or early signs of disease. After months of nurturing, you'll eventually reach the most rewarding stage, harvesting. Ginger typically matures fully in 8 to 10 months. However, you can harvest earlier if you prefer young ginger, which has a softer texture, milder flavor, and thinner skin. Mature ginger has a stronger aroma, firmer texture, and longer shelf life, making it ideal for drying, storing, or commercial selling. When the foliage begins yellowing and drying naturally, the plant is signaling that the rhizomes have reached maturity. To harvest, use your hands or a tool to carefully loosen the soil, then lift the entire clump of rhizomes. Shake off the soil gently and rinse thoroughly. If you intend to grow ginger again, reserve the healthiest, most vigorous rhizome pieces for your next planting cycle. Fresh ginger is ready for use immediately, but knowing how to store it correctly will extend its freshness. For short-term storage, keep ginger in a cool, dry area or refrigerate it. For long-term storage, you can dehydrate sliced ginger, turning it into chips or powder that stay usable for months. Alternatively, burying ginger in dry sand or sawdust slows down moisture loss and preserves quality for a long time. Some people freeze ginger, which also preserves its flavor remarkably well. Growing ginger from a simple rhizome to a full harvest is an incredibly rewarding experience that offers both personal satisfaction and agricultural potential. This crop is flexible, resilient, and highly profitable when grown correctly. Whether you grow it on a small scale at home or produce it commercially, the same foundational steps apply. Choosing good planting material, preparing fertile soil, planting with care, maintaining proper feeding and watering routines, protecting against pests and diseases, and harvesting at the right time. By following these principles, you can enjoy abundant harvests year after year. Ginger is more than just a spice. It is a crop rich with history, health benefits, and economic value. Its adaptability makes it suitable for many growing environments, and its productivity makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to add a meaningful plant to their garden or farming venture. Once you understand its needs and growth habits, you'll find it to be one of the most gratifying crops you can cultivate. Whether you grow it in your own kitchen, sell it at markets, dehydrate it into powder, or multiply your crop for continuous planting, ginger provides endless opportunities. With patience, attention, and the right growing techniques, you can transform a simple rhizome into a thriving harvest that keeps giving year after year. May your ginger growing journey bring you success, abundance, and a deep appreciation for this remarkable plant.